So we're back with our second renovation video. This time it's in our own home. We redid our kitchen. It was a bit difficult for us to find a good apartment here with a relatively good price, and when we saw this place, Mighty really liked it, and I had one condition, and that was that he redo the kitchen because it was not functional at all. We were lucky in that our landlords were open to the idea and willing to bankroll the project. So as soon as we took possession, we started this project, and this is a video of all of the stuff from demo to done. So these are the before shots. It was dark gray. Really, it didn't lend to the atmosphere at all. It was super dark, and the kitchen was really weirdly laid out. The countertops were two different heights and two different materials with this like ugly kind of peeling stucco type thing.
So here's after I started to destroy it. It didn't take a lot of time to gut the entire kitchen. So after I got that all out, I started to put the cabinets in after I done a bit of plaster work.
And then we decided to do a couple custom built-ins that we made out of MDF and painted black to go with our lower cabinets.
All of the cabinets are in place, and I pre-cut all of the countertops to fit in the places they needed to go. So here I am just placing them all and making sure it's a nice fit.
And we got all the cabinets and countertops from IKEA. It was the best price for the quality. And we had budget in mind because it wasn't our dream kitchen. It was for a rental for our landlords, and so we had to be budget conscious. And we decided to paint the walls black to kind of make them recede and make the kitchen feel bigger and the space feel bigger than it already was.
And here I am putting on the backsplash, just your typical white subway tile. Here's me putting in the vent, which wasn't the easiest thing because when we reconfigured things, we moved the stove over a couple inches. So the exhaust for it no longer lined up, so I had to do some moving. And here's the built-ins, just doing a little bit of gap filling. We had changed the old ceiling fan for a newer, more updated one, so it's just me taking it off.
And here's the before again, so dark and gray and outdated to the finished product with all new light fixtures, new sink, new faucet, all new cabinetry, we put in some floating shelves, and there's the built-in fridge unit, and we also painted the whole apartment white. So overall, it took us about 2 weeks from demo to done, and obviously there was tons of prep before we took possession, but we did a ton of work. We also we had to do a bit of fixing on the floor because we obviously changed the configuration, so we also had to redo the flooring in the kitchen. And yeah, so overall we were super happy with how it turned out. Our landlords were super happy with how it turned out. It's so much more functional, changing the layout, moving the fridge to the other side, and giving ourselves a lot more counter space. We opened it up, allowed for a dining table, which there was no space for a dining table before. And ultimately the project was really cost effective as well. And yeah, overall I think it turned out great and we're super happy with it.
Yes.
So much more functional, tons of storage, more storage than we can even use,
Yes.
really.
Yes.
So yeah, and we're super excited for our next project. We're not sure what it will be. It'll probably be our bathroom. But yeah, I'm pumped. I'm pumped for our next project.
Me too.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Dr. Nick.